Until it all goes bad, but shit is all good. We threw a party, yeah, we threw a party. Bitches came over, yeah, we threw a party. I was just calling cause they were just leaving. Talk to me, please, don't have much to believe in. I need you right now, are you down to listen to me? Too many drinks have been given.
What?
I'm taking a vlog. I'm at the beach with Luke. And we're just chilling here boogie boarding. Yeah, a vlog, you know that?
Check out my vlog. Subscribe. Like.
On YouTube?
On YouTube.
You do?
Yeah.
I'm starting one, or I started one just recently. I haven't put like really much on it. My fucking hair is untwisted. So we're just chilling at the beach. You know, this Sunday we have school tomorrow. You see the refinery? Isn't that beautiful? The fucking refinery in the background. Not really. I'm being sarcastic. Whatever. But yeah, it's seriously like beautiful out here. Like, I'm too dark because you can't see anything. Just look at the scenery. I feel like you're not gonna hear any of this because the waves are really loud. You like my ring? I feel like you're not gonna hear any of this because the waves are super loud right now. But yeah, Luke got something in his ear, so he's being a bitch about it. Right, Luke?
What?
Yeah, right. So yeah. I don't know. Look at those waves though. Like, there are some pretty big waves when we were out here boogie boarding. Bruh. Bruh. One last view of the beach before we leave. They're like hang gliding down there. Anyway, yeah, one last view. Like, I don't know, this is kind of the weather that you only find in LA and Hawaii and any other place that has weather like LA, but that's besides the point. Don't look at me, I'm changing. I see you over there, stop looking. Not you. There are people in that car, I think they're slick. They're trying to look at my dick. They think they are. Bro, they're mobbing. They're mobbing. They're just blasting music. I think they're cool because they're blasting. Do you have? Can you play music for me?
What?
Oh,
Who's blasting music? I don't even
they're over there. They think they're cool.
I don't even hear a single thing.
Let's
What?
play some Waka Flocka.
Waka Flocka? Let's put the keys in.
They're over there. Think they're cool blasting their music. Nigga, I can blast music too. No. I'll just throw this back there. Playing with a jack scar.
Got my dry clothes over there?
Oh, alright, yeah. Marvin!
9 o'clock. And we just got back from the movies, or I did. And I was gonna take a video at the mall, but my phone was dying and I had people to text and yeah. Actually, we were at the mall and the power went out. And like the whole mall was dark and I seriously thought like someone was about to start stealing stuff. It was kind of crazy. Like, yeah. Anyway, so we went and saw, what's the name of the movie? It's called The Wedding Ringer, I think, with Kevin Hart. It was pretty good, like, I liked it. So, I suggest you go see it if you have anything to do or nothing to do, you should go see it. It's a pretty good movie. Anyway, I don't know why I'm making this video, mainly because I didn't like it. And the other video. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat some fried rice. So, peace.